Hi there, welcome to DTV's official battery info video. Before you do anything with your shredder, make sure the unit is completely turned off before charging. Alright, let's begin. The first time you use your new shredder, you must charge the 4 batteries individually with a small black 5 amp charger. You only have to charge it this way once. After that, you can charge all the batteries at one time using the port at the back. Before we get into any details, this is what a battery for the EXT200 model will look like. A smaller ring light button and a black connecting cable. This is what a battery for the EXT300 will look like. A larger ring light with a yellow connecting cable. It's good to know if your batteries are in active or in sleep mode. If you have EXT200 batteries, the button light on them should glow a solid green. This means they're on and active. If the light is off, then it's in sleep mode. Simply press the button to activate it and have it glow a solid green color. If the light does not turn on when pressed, try plugging the battery in or pressing the ring light button. If neither of these work, contact DTV customer support for further assistance. If you have EXT300 batteries, a glowing green light will indicate that it's active and ready to go. If there is no light, it's in long-term storage mode. Press the button to activate it or charge the battery to make the light glow green. If this doesn't work, try plugging the battery in or pressing the ring light button. If neither of these work, contact DTV customer support. We have 2 charging options available. A low-speed 5 amp charger which comes with every vehicle, and a 30 amp high-speed charger which you can inquire about on the DTV website. Both chargers are rated for 110 volts and 240 volts. So no matter where you are in the world, it will work plugged in into a normal outlet. No special electrical work needed. In order to understand how the low-speed charger operates, flip the charger over to reveal a handy sticker that explains everything you need to know about the lights. A solid green indicates that it's ready to charge a battery. A flashing yellow light means the battery is charging. And if the light is ever red, unplug it and plug it back in. If the issue persists, contact DTV customer support for further assistance. For the high-speed charger, there's also a sticker on the bottom that will explain everything. Solid green means the battery is fully charged, flashing green means the battery is above 80%, and flashing red means the battery is below 80%. If you decide to not ride for an extended period of time and have an EXT300 battery, make sure to put your vehicle into long-term storage mode. In order to do this, just unplug the batteries from the vehicle and they'll automatically go into long-term storage mode once they're under 50% charge for more than 5 days. For EXT200 batteries, plug your shredder into the charger once a month, or if you choose to disconnect the batteries, you can charge them every 3 months. Charge them individually if you choose, or you can simply reload them back into the shredder and charge all 4 at once. When you're ready to ride again, wake the batteries up by either plugging them individually into the charger or by pressing the ring light button on each of them. Once they're all ready to go, connect them all to the shredder and you're ready to shred again. Thanks for watching the DTV battery video. It's time to get shredding.